Welcome to Shinyseed Fx. Come and trade by trying our tools for free. Yes, it's free. Shinyseed Fx is designed to transform your trading journey with simplicity, clarity, and real results, even if you're a complete beginner. You receive the signal, use our Seed Optitrade Tracker for risk management, and open your trade. That's it. Receive signals almost every minute on your device, showing you exactly when to buy or sell in the next minute. Our Seed Optitrade Tracker guides your lot sizes, helping you protect your capital while growing your account. Trade with a clear, structured plan, designed to protect your balance while you build consistent profits. Get ongoing guidance and stay accountable with our supportive Telegram community. No confusion, no guessing, just signals, structure, and real opportunities to grow. Shinyseed Fx.